vlog. Hello. Another vlog, another day. Guys, we're going to see I'm gonna show you the new mall, our neighborhood. This is a new mall now. Our neighborhood. Big mall. That's the highway right now. A lot of people, guys. This is the first week of this new mall. First week. Look at this. We'll see. We're gonna just see inside what they have. Ayaw ko mag-shopping. See that, guys? A lot of people. Ito na, guys. Ito na ang bungad. This is a new mall, guys. New mall. It's a new mall. Hello, hello, new mall. Wow, it's a huge mall in our neighborhood, guys. Beautiful. Hindi na kami pupunta sa downtown. Dito na lang kami magsha-shopping. Di ba? Guys, Uniqlo. Ayan ang Uniqlo. Store from Japan. Ay, ay, ay. Ayaw ko mag-shopping. Ayaw ko mag-bit-bit. Expert. Ay, ay. Beautiful. Wow, ready for Christmas. Brownie store. Oh, brownie store. Yun. Sa basement, sa baba. Wow, it's huge one, guys. Huge. Just opening September 6, guys. This mall. So, hindi ako pumunta. I'm so busy. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta. Now is September 15. Sephora. Sephora, mga makeup, guys. Mamahalin na makeup. Oh, Sephora. Look at that. Guys, mamahalin na bag. Longchamp. Meron pa daw dito LV bag. Oh boy. Wow, huge. Marami pa hindi open, guys, sa store. They still not ready. It's not ready yet, guys. Nike store to. Oh, laki, oh. Tara, Sari store, laki din, oh. Ah, laki, oh. Ang Sara hanggang doon. Malaki. Jewelry. Swarovski. Guys, ito. Ayan. Ayan o sa taas. Wow. Nice. A good sunglass hat. Guys, ayan. Mamahalin din yan. Sunglass. Na shade. Guys, Gucci, oh. Hindi pa open. Still closed. Mga branded po dito, talaga yung pinaka-branded, nandito po lahat. Wow, nice. Daming tao. We're going down now, guys. We go to the basement. Yay! Daming tao, guys. start here guys. We start here. Walk here. Dati ikot ako para ano. Guys, yes guys. Ito na tayo sa baba. Let's go. Boss, hindi pa open guys. Soon. Coach guys, oh. Coach. Let's go walking. Exercise. Come on guys. Hihi. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go. Brown. Shoes. Nandiyan na mga branded na shoes. Mekos. Ayan na po guys. Pagod na sila. Nakupo na sila. Sephora guys. Nandito na tayo sa Sephora. Ayan na Sephora. Longchamp. Aso. Pwede aso pala guys. Dadaling ko yung kalabaw ko next time. Okay, let's go. Continue walking guys. Ray-Ban sa taas. Time Valley. Mason Bricks. Mamahalin talaga guys. Mga nandito. Hindi ko kaya. Hi! Rolex guys, oh, ayan oh, hindi pa open Rolex. Nako, dami mag-aabang dyan. Versace, so ayan na. Come on, David, Yerman. Hi, hello. Balenciaga.